My name is Dylan. I'm a parts specialist, and I've worked here for about 2.5 years now. When I first started working here, I had no parts experience, no RV experience. It was probably about a 2-week actual training period, but every day I'm just learning more and more.
My name's Robert Snook. I've been here about 2.5 years. I'm lead chassis tech. We work on electrical, we work on plumbing, we work on air systems.
I'm Jeremy Crandall. I've been here about 22 years, and I'm a service technician. So somebody who's a perfect fit to be an RV technician is somebody who's really good working with tools, working with their hands, and can think well on their feet, and is a good problem solver.
Anybody that wants to get into this industry, get into the industry. There's always room for you, and there is room to grow. This industry is not going to go away.
Working here, I feel like I'm not just a number or a face. People here actually really care about you, and it makes it a lot easier to work for a company that's willing to back you and help you when you need it.
Well, it's better to work for Beaver Coach because they really treat their employees good. You can tell the ownership really cares about its people, and they want us to be happy, and it shows.